Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. In this video, I am explaining alterations in respiration or breathing pattern. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it and also get the notifications. I have included the important questions related to this topic at the last of this video, so watch till the end to get the complete information. So let us start. First is tachypnea. It is the increased respiratory rate over 24 breaths per minute. Bradypnea is the decreased respiratory rate that is less than 10 breaths per minute. Apnea is the cessation of breathing, that is, respiration ceases for several seconds. Hyperapnea is the increased depth of respiration. Dyspnea is difficulty in breathing. Orthopnea is the ability to breathe only in upright sitting or standing position. Hyperventilation is the over-expansion of the lungs, causing increase in the rate and depth of respiration. Hyperventilation is the under-expansion of the lungs, resulting in decrease in the rate and depth of respiration. Kussmaul's respiration involves increased rate and depth of respiration, which occurs if person experiences acid-base disturbances like metabolic acidosis. Cheyne-Stokes respiration is the series of respiration that gradually becomes deeper and noisier until a climax is reached, when a pause occurs and then the cycle gets repeated. So it is an increase in the rate and depth of respiration that alternates with a period of apnea. Biot's respiration is the abnormally shallow 2 to 3 breaths followed by irregular periods of apnea. Let us discuss some of the abnormal breath sounds. Stridor is a harsh, vibrating, shrill sound produced during respiration as seen in upper airway obstruction. Rale is an abnormal bubbling sound caused by mucus in the air passages. It is seen in bronchitis and pneumonia. Wheeze is a high-pitched musical whistling sound that occurs with partial obstruction of the smaller bronchi and bronchioles, and it is seen in asthma. Sigh is a very deep inspiration followed by a prolonged expiration. Rhonchi. It is a continuous dry rattling sound. It is heard on auscultation of lungs caused by partial obstruction. It is a sound often produced by someone who is near death when fluids such as saliva and bronchial secretions accumulate in throat and upper chest. Then the terminologies include cyanosis. It is the bluish discoloration of the skin due to the lack of oxygen in the tissues. Nasal flaring is the difficulty in breathing characterized by dilation of nostrils during breathing. Eupnea is the normal respiration or normal respiratory rate and rhythm. Anoxia. It is a lack of oxygen in tissues. Hypoxia is the decreased level of oxygen in tissues. Hypoxemia. It is the diminished oxygen in blood. Asphyxia is a state of suffocation or a condition arising when the body is deprived of oxygen. Hemoptysis is the presence of blood in sputum. Productive cough. A cough accompanied by mucus or phlegm is known as productive cough. Non-productive cough is a dry, harsh cough without sputum. Now let us discuss the previous year questions. Subscribe the channel and also watch the other videos regarding the previous year questions. The first question: bluish discoloration of the skin and mucous membrane caused by lack of oxygen in tissues. Options: hypoxia, hypoxemia, cyanosis, asphyxia. And the right answer is cyanosis. Respiratory rate more than 24 is termed as eupnea, apnea, bradypnea, tachypnea. Answer is tachypnea. An increase in rate and depth of respiration alternating with period of apnea is options: stridor, hyperapnea, Cheyne-Stokes respiration, wheezing. The correct answer is Cheyne-Stokes respiration. Type of respiration in which periods of normal breathing followed by waiting period of apnea, usually 10 seconds to 1 minute, is Chain-stalk respiration, Kussmaul's respiration, Biot's respiration, apnoesis. And the right answer is Kussmaul's respiration. A very deep inspiration followed by prolonged expiration is called options wheeze, rail, sigh, stridor. And the correct answer is sigh. Total cessation of breathing is options tachypnea, apnea, bradypnea, orthopnea. And the correct answer is apnea. Eupnea means absence of respiration, hyperventilation, normal respiration, hypoventilation. Correct answer is normal respiration. Inability to breathe except in an upright or standing position is options dyspnea, tachypnea, orthopnea, bradypnea. And the right answer is orthopnea. Harsh, vibrating, shrill sound produced during respiration as seen in upper airway obstruction is options stridor, wheeze, air hunger, sigh. Right answer is stridor. Hyperventilation associated with metabolic acidosis. Options Chain-stalk's respiration, Kussmaul's respiration, Biot's respiration, orthopnea. Correct answer is Kussmaul's respiration. So thank you for watching the video. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.